back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn off or to disable the comments on your videos as well as on your live streams or your LS. So this feature you can do it the first time you upload your video, or you can do it afterwards if you feel the need to do it. So um, I'll be showing you how to do it on the phone. The method is similar when you're using your computer, if you go to your YouTube studio. So what you need is your Chrome. So just have the Chrome app on your phone. So I'll go to my Chrome app, and then once you have your Chrome app opened, go to YouTube. Just type in youtube.com/dashboard. That should take you to the dashboard for your YouTube channel. Once you get to the dashboard, you want to go to the content, which is that icon right there. So click on that icon. This should give you a list of all your videos. So once you're here, all you have to do is look for that video you want to disable the comments on. So let's say I wanted to disable comments on one of my videos. So I'll pick the second one from the list. And I'll go to, right now the comments are not turned off. But let's say I wanted to turn the comments off. What I'll do is, so once you have the settings for your video open, so the video details right here, just scroll down, and then you'll need to go to show more. So right here, show more. So click on that, and then keep scrolling down until you get to a point where it says, so it's gonna say comments and ratings. So comments and ratings. And then here in this box here, it says there's the down arrow you can select. So right now it says hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. If you click on that down arrow, you'll see there's more options. So it says allow all comments, hold all comments for review, and then disable comments. So if you want to disable comments completely, you just click on disable comments. So you select disable comments. And then you'll need to save that setting, that option. So we selected disable comments, go back up, all the way up. There's an option to save it. So right here you have that option to save it. So click save. And if I go to, so now if I try to go to that video, see if I can open it on YouTube. And as you can see now here, it says the comments are turned off. So that's how you go through the process of disabling the comments for your videos. And like I said, you can do the same thing for like a live stream if you don't want any comments after you've done a live stream. So that's it for today. Thank you all for those that always come back, and also thank you for the new people who are watching me for the first time. Bye, and see you in my next video.